Marshal there behind you.
Hey, Mark! Good arrest. For what? You're in Montana. I ain't gonna put up with it. I don't think that's it. Oh yeah, it does. You move another step, old man, I'm shooting you. You move another. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Come here. Take that knife. Put the hand behind your head. Come here. Do it now. Come on. Come on, let's go! Shoot him! Shoot him! Turn away!
We made something out of that, didn't we?
That, my friends, were the three gunfighters from Ghost Town in the Sky, Maggie Valley, North Carolina. That's Marshal Red Dog in the middle, Preacher on the end, and on this one down here, personal friend of mine, Robert Bradley, a.k.a. the Apache Kid. Robert worked on and off for Ghost Town in the Sky for over 30 years, and was actually came down here to Ocala to help build 6-gun territory in the early 60s.
Oh, it would be so fine if I could just go back to 1949. When they might remember a teenage boy so wild and fancy-free.
As you can see, we're politically correct here. Why are we stopping? We're not supposed to pick up them guns. That's just wrong. This here's a passenger train. We don't have any gold on here. We don't have any mail on here. Let's just
Let's go. Come on down here, boys. Well,
what are you doing?
How you doing today, Morty?
Why are you robbing us? We got no gold on this train.
Something tells me.
Hostage, take her!
This here is a passenger train, right?
Well, wait a minute here. Wait a minute here. Somebody on that train pointing at something.
Hostage, take her!
Come on down here, young lady. Come on down. Set that shotgun down.
There you go. You can just take her with you.
And everything but spill. All right.
This here's a passenger train. There's no gold anywhere on this train. There's no mail, no gold, no nothing. This here's a passenger train, right?
Right there,
Just
right
a passenger train.
Look in the back. Right behind you. Let me see. Watch that guy down there. I don't trust him at all.
Might need.
Come on. Let's see what you got. See them bags right there? Let's see. Bring them here. Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Take that salute, Hussy.
We don't know about that. Watch them guys down there too. They got too many on the train, boys. Let's keep an eye on them. Watch them. And you. Hopefully you on the back of the train. Keep them hands up.
Here, video it. It's already on.
Oh, that boy just made a face at me. And he's got a gator hat on.
A gator hat.
You want to pet my horse? You want to pet my horse? Hey, I already got the goal.
Get him in the head with a rock. Put him out.
Hey? try no further than that.
Reach them high, guys. Reach them high.
You need to get your butt on the train. By the way, you're.
There you go. Don't move.
You want to do a
man.
look at it, lost his head. You want to do
Give me that hand.
I want to know who told about the goal. Who told about the goal? Who said something about gold?
Purple shirt.
Why would you do that? We're going to make y'all get out and push, right? Everybody raise their hand and get out and push now, right? It's a long push. It's a long way to go. Okay? I want to know, I got one round left in here. I want to know who did that. Oh, wait, am I in that front because y'all did that? Shame on you. Shame on you. So, I'm coming. I'm coming.